ప్రవక్త మహమ్మద్ గారిని అవమానించిన ఫ్రాన్స్ అధ్యక్షుడు ఎమాన్యుయల్ ముస్లింల మనోభావాలు దెబ్బతీశాడని వెంటనే ముస్లింస్కు క్షమాపణ చెప్పాలని ముస్లిం మత పెద్దలు తెలిపారు. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఫ్రాన్స్తో అన్ని లావాదేవీలు ఆపేయాలని, అదేవిధంగా ఫ్రాన్స్లో ఉన్న భారత రాయబారిని ఉపసంహరించుకోవాలని డిమాండ్ చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో జిల్లా వినియోగదారుల రక్షణ మండలి ఉపాధ్యక్షుడు గౌసుల్, వర మత పెద్దలు సయ్యద్ నవీన్, మౌలానా సమీర్ సయ్యద్, హబీబ్, హాఫీజ్ షబ్బీ మరియు అన్ని మసీదుల ఇమాంలు, ఖతీబులు మౌజన్లు పాల్గొన్నారు.
आप हजरात बखूबी वाकिफ़ हैं कि हाल ही में आलम इस्लाम के तमाम मुसलमानों को इंतहाई बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ हुई है। इस वजह से हुई है कि फ़्रांस के सदर ने हमारे नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की शान में गुस्ताखाना कलिमात किया और जो है ख़ातून की हिमायत करने की बात कही, जिससे आलम इस्लाम के तमाम मुसलमानों को तकलीफ़ पहुँची है। और उसी तकलीफ़ की बुनियाद पर हम जो है अपने मुल्क के क़ानून के दायरे में रहकर हम एहतजाज कर रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे। और मज़ीद और भी कुछ तरीक़े एहतजाज के होंगे तो आइंदा इंशाअल्लाह उन तरीक़ों को भी हम क़ानून के दायरे में रहकर अपनाएंगे और करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह। और दूसरी बात यह है कि हम अपनी हुकूमत, हिंदुस्तान की हुकूमत से हम मुतालबा करते हैं कि वो फ़ौरन ये फ़ैसला ले ले कैबिनेट में कि फ़्रांस के हुकूमत से तमाम किस्म के ताल्लुक़ात मनक़ता कर लिए जाएँ और हमारे सफ़ीर को वापस बुला लिया जाए। लिहाजा हमारा ये मुतालबा है हुकूमत से, हम मुतालबा करते हैं और इंशाअल्लाह ताला हम अपनी बात हुकूमत को क़ानून के दायरे में रहते हुए हुकूमत तक पहुँचाएँगे। ये भी मीडिया के ज़रिए एक ज़रिया है, लिहाजा हम अपनी बात
I am Hafiz Muhammad Ali Pir Qadri from Adoni. Now here we are here to deny the person who is the president of France, who said about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam something wrongly, and he issued a community to make a statues. So we are worldly, we Muslims are gathering and we are denying that person and his thought, and we are entirely denying that person and his thought, which is hurt to all Muslim communities in the world. So everyone should be careful by saying words upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he is the one, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who make the world peacefully. So he is the one who made the world lovely and who made the people love each other. So this type of person is our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we do not have any authority, any person do not have, any human beings doesn't have any authority to say anything about him and to make any statue of him. So we do not have any rights and we do not have any authorities. So we have to deny the people those who say like this, and we are requesting our government to reject all the communications from the France. So we are by media we are saying among the world we are all the Muslims saying and describing before the media that our issue should be contained up to the government, should be taken as a serious matter and should be taken as a serious matter, and it should be carried up to the governments, and everyone should be follow. These are the rules that no one has rights to say any religion about. So we do not have any authority to say about any religion. So everyone should be think positively, and we have to take care of the everyone's, and we have to think about the other religions also. Every religion should be respected, every religion should be respected. This is also one of the act in the law. The law says we have to respect all the religions. So that we are saying now that our religion also should be respected. Why? Because our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one who spread the love, one who spread the humanity, one who spread the peacefulness, in all among the world. So by these words I am rejecting that person, I am denying that person who said about our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now I'm requesting to the media also, these words should be taken up to the government, and it should be kept in an act. Yeah, I'm Hafiz Muhammad Alipir from Adwani.